friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. Thanks so much for being here with us today to kick off Halloween. If you are new to our channel, thank you so much for being here, and please do consider liking and subscribing for more fun. And be sure to hang around after this cookie decorating and explore Spirit Halloween with me and Hank and talk all things Halloween. So for this cookie, I did cut out my own cookie. I did not have a Spirit Halloween cookie cutter, so I hand cut that, and I outlined the image with my black glaze icing, and then I outlined the face in my white glaze icing, and I flooded that. I got that all nice and smooth, and I let that set overnight, a full 24 hours before I came in with my edible ink marker, and I drew in the face. You really do want to allow enough time before you decide to draw with your edible ink marker onto your icing, because if you don't wait long enough, your marker is going to go right through the icing and it'll be a very frustrating experience. Trust me, I know. So now I am just flooding the rest of the black. And one of the tips that I always have given in the past is that with black icing, it can make your cookie taste funny, or it could start to do some funny things if you oversaturate the icing with the black food coloring. So my tip is to make the black food coloring the night before, let it sit overnight, and it actually darkens, so you don't have to put as much black in your icing as you think you would. Now while that black icing is wet, like as soon as you put it down, I came back in with this gray icing, and it's called wet on wet, so that gray icing actually sinks right into the black rather than sitting on top of it. And I've also mixed some black food coloring with a clear vodka, and the alcohol evaporates from the vodka, but it's a really good liquid to use to help paint. I don't want to use water because the water will actually disintegrate some of the glaze icing. The vodka doesn't, so it's a good substitute for that. I have a really super thin brush here that's getting those really fine details. You just take your time with that. And if you ever did mess up, I mess up often on my videos, you'll see that I'll wet a paper towel with some vodka and I wipe that right off, and it does come off pretty easily. So I've got some gray here. I just mixed a little bit of black with white. Yes, there is like a white food coloring, so that's been very helpful. I used the Wilton brand of white. Alright, so I've got some good shadowing going on there, and I colored in his eye yellow. And if you notice, I did not ice the back of the cookie, the background. I wasn't sure if I was going to ice it or if I was going to paint it, so I painted it with my food coloring, and I'm actually really happy I did that because I do like the texture of the cookie, and it made this character really pop off the cookie more. So he has the dimension and the cookie is definitely the background. And then I came in and I just added a little bit of touch of orange, and I think he came out super accurate. I mean, just look at that. Super accurate, and this was awesome to me. Hi cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. Thank you so much for being here with us today for a very special kickoff to Halloween. Yes! Yes, I know it is, what, September 9th? Or when we're filming it, it's September 9th. But you guys, it's Halloween. It's actually been Halloween since like July is when decorated. I've seen the first sightings of Halloween. And one of my very, very favorite things about Halloween is Spirit Halloween. I love Spirit Halloween. Yes! It is. We just went there. We did. It's the kickoff. It's like the greatest, most fun thing to do. We go back throughout the entire season. So Hank and I went to Spirit Halloween, and as you saw, we made a Spirit Halloween. There he is. There he is. He's great. This was one of the first things that I think about with Spirit is let's go check out their animatronics. Okay, so we checked out 10 different animatronics, and I love how they have their setup here. Unfortunately, that pumpkin guy was not working, so we did not get a good look at him or see what he's all about, but we did get a good look at 10 others. So, Hank, what's this guy's name?
His name is Monty.
Yeah, Monty. I had really high hopes for him. I thought he was going to be cool and creepy, but...
Monty looked cool, but I mean, he really wasn't scary.
No, not really. Alright, this guy, his name is...
Little Crouchy!
No, Young Crouchy.
Young Crouchy! Oh, so weird.
If you're scared of clowns, I get it, he's scary, but why is he
look, you even
so
said he was small.
Short? He's so short. Not my top 10 scariest. All right, and this guy, his name is Barry.
Yeah, he was just trying to get out.
Stuck in a cage.
Yeah.
I mean, I think he's pretty fun if you walk through a haunted house and see him. He'd be a cool thing to see.
Oh, this one was really cool.
He's called the Straw Man. You know, I thought he was cool, but what he was saying was kind of lame. But I did like
about
his
farmers coming after you.
So weird, but I did like his mouth because it was like tied together with twine.
Nicky said he likes corn.
All right, this guy, how can you not like him?
Oh, Shorty.
He's Shorty. He's
Shorty!
Great. I think they did a really great job with him, and I think he's a lot of fun.
Yeah,
so
he looks just like in the movies.
Yeah. Oh, this guy, Lord Raven.
Lord Raven. Yeah, the height.
He was
really,
towering over you.
Yeah, I could picture that at night.
Yeah, I think he would scare me in a haunted
that kind of
house
scared
for
me.
sure.
Did you feel me shivering in your hand?
I sure did. Okay, this guy.
Oh, this guy. Yeah, he needed the effects.
His name is Nozzles, and apparently his little hands there.
Yeah, he like shoots out like fog or mist or something. It's really cool.
Yeah. Oh, this guy, the bog zombie.
Yes!
He, I think, is my #1 scariest.
Yeah, he even sounded cool.
Yeah, he just like garbled. He was pretty cool.
Oh, well.
Oh, well, I mean, this is a given. I mean,
Reagan, yeah, look at me.
Reagan's a creeper anyway, so.
Yeah, look up.
No,
Not happy.
Hank was not feeling Reagan.
Nope.
Okay, and
This guy, yes!
This guy, Mr. Dark.
Yes! He was so good!
Awesome. And he, like, did you see that? That jump was a real jump.
He was like 9 feet tall.
Yeah. He's huge and terrifying, so he gets actually my #1 vote for the best animatronic.
Alright, I'll take that. #1. Look at him.
So, what are some of the other things that we saw at Spirit Halloween? What were
We
some
saw
of the
a
highlights?
lot. We saw a lot.
There was like
They had new Nightmare Before Christmas. They had new so many Killer Clowns.
Beetlejuice, Trick or
Trick or Treat.
all that fun stuff. So we're gonna pop up some videos of what we saw, and we're gonna tell you what we liked about it. Another thing that I really love about Spirit is they have like this little walkthrough setup, and this was like an electricity high voltage room, and
Yeah, it was shocking. Yeah, look at me. That hurt.
Sorry about that, Hank.
It made my fur go up.
Okay, probably the best part of Spirit, no, not me, the best part of Spirit Halloween is the Killer Clowns.
Yes!
Guys,
look at all the stuff.
I really wanted to be one of the Killer Clowns for Halloween this year, but
Oh,
we're
the
not, or
masks
something
are
else.
so cool.
Which one would you want to be, Hank? I think Shorty looked pretty cool.
Oh, this is my favorite part. Look.
Hank,
These are famous hand puppets. Back from 1988. It's so cool. I know them.
Hank was starstruck. Oh, this gun.
We had that for our other episode.
Yep, this cotton
No
candy
spoilers.
gun.
No spoilers.
We may or may not have that.
Don't use it on me.
That was actually really cool, and it made some really cool sounds. So I think that was a pretty
Yeah,
great
that one was.
prop to
I
have.
like how they have that you can actually try the stuff out.
Me too. And I may or may not have this shirt.
Oh, that was a really cool shirt. The flannel was cool. Purple
But
flannel.
that's a really cool shirt, guys.
That is an awesome flannel for Killer Clowns.
Yeah, that is nice.
It's nice to see so much merch. I mean, even like this towel. It's JoJo's ice cream.
And then there's
so cool.
a door cover, one of those plastic door covers, but I like how Shorty's popping out of the pizza box.
Oh, this one was cool. Look at all the colors.
Yeah, I like these. If you stick it in a corner of your room and turn the lights off, like, it really does a good job. And it played fun music. And these were some pretty cool shot glasses here, or toothpick holders, whatever you're gonna call them. And Rudy's totally my favorite clown.
Oh, look at Jumbo. Jumbo, yes.
Oh, and then of course we had to try on some hats.
This is a hat party. Look at all my cool hats.
Dashing. Really, really nice hat right there. Hank.
Yeah, there's a lot of hats that fit my head.
Ooh, steampunk. You totally should have gone as a steampunk character.
Oh, I could have gone steampunk. Get my fur nice and clean. Oh, I'm Batman.
Hank.
Yeah, look at how crazy my eyes are.
Oh. All right.
Do we have to keep the embarrassing stuff really now?
Yes, we do.
Come on.
Oh, trick or treat. Look at all these Sams.
It's like an army of Sams.
I think they're really cool. Oh, guys.
Oh, those are cool.
Those masks really just get
They're
me.
so creepy.
Look at the Holly Ho bar. So it actually has, like, obviously a fake blade in it, but that is pretty cool.
That was really cool.
I mean, if you know Trick or Treat, you know how cool this is.
The Trick or Treat stuff definitely has gotten better.
Oh, and I think we might have walked away with that shirt, too. Yes, always check your candy.
Sam looks really cool.
Yeah, I really like that movie, too. Oh, here's some, like, just fun jewelry. I really like those earrings. I like that the one has the bite taken out of it.
Yeah, oh, look at that. Look at the crossbody bag.
That's a cool bag. And there's
Another flannel. Yes, look at those colors.
Just not sure which flannel I like better, this one or the Killer Clowns.
Oh, you know you're a Killer Clowns fan.
Look at Sam's on the patch of the arm. Love it. Alright, Anna, we have some more shot glasses or toothpick holders, but the question, guys, is...
Yeah, who is that?
Who is that?
What character is that? These are all school bus characters.
Who is that? Someone tell me, please.
I do not remember her.
Alright.
Oh, throwback lunchboxes!
Vintage lunchboxes!
Yes!
Alright, Killer Clown's lunchbox.
Ninja Turtles!
I would definitely want.
Ninja Turtles brings me right back.
Yeah.
You always had like the flattened peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Well, see, I didn't have tin lunchboxes. I had plastic lunchboxes.
Plastic, but with the thermos.
With the thermos, of course.
With the matching thermos.
Oh, that Scooby-Doo one was cool.
Yeah, that was cool.
Of course, Jack and Sally.
Yeah, that was very cool. Oh, that
the trick-or-treat
it looked vintage.
One. You know what? That one, I think that's the one I would want.
That is
Forget
exactly
the Killer Clowns.
one we need.
Yeah, so those were like some... Oh, gremlins!
Oh, this was messed up. Yes, you look just like her.
Oh, there's a classic. Handbook for the recently deceased journal. Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice. No, don't say it. Oh, here's the Nightmare Before Christmas.
That map was very cool. I do like that. I wasn't too impressed by the rest of their stuff, actually. It wasn't like as super awesome, except for those mugs. Do like the mugs.
Mug was pretty cool.
Those are huge, though. Like, how do you drink out of them? They're
look at Zero.
Giant mugs.
Oh, Teddy.
Oh, Teddy's the best. What's his name? Scary Teddy.
Oh, so cool.
And then, of course, you got some plushes.
Yeah, the plush are always nice.
Yeah.
What do you like, the green or the burlap Oogie Boogie?
Oh, burlap Oogie Boogie.
Oh, look, it's Haunted
Mansion!
Mansion! Oh, look at that! That was cool!
Door knocker. I do like that. Haunted Mansion is my favorite thing in Disney World, so super excited here. We got a little hitchhiking ghost stand.
Yeah, they had a lot of new stuff this year.
Yeah. Oh, Madame Leota.
We just need more space in the studio.
I know. You guys, our dog is named Leota. That's how much we love Haunted Mansion.
Oh, we love Leota.
Alright, some more shot glasses, toothpick holders, whatever you want to call them.
Oh, that's new! That's new! Look at
This
that!
guy.
That's from the library scene, remember?
Pretty cool. Going for a lot on eBay, I hear.
Yeah.
Oh, Haunted Mansion.
I'm surprised they had this much stuff left.
They had a lot.
They had a lot. It was like up to 150 on eBay.
We totally own that circular blanket, by the way.
Yeah, another Leota.
Yep.
Yep, there she is.
Oh, I wanted to get all of this stuff for our dog, but, you know, she doesn't need it.
No, I don't think she can even see color.
I don't think so either. That was a cool pillow. 3 thumbs up. I like that.
Oh, he's new this year. He was a lot bigger.
Bigger than you thought?
Bigger than I thought, but I've seen him on the ride.
Oh, and here was...
There they are!
The thing to have this year.
That's the get item.
Yep.
Look how awesome.
Guys,
and Hot Topics was not as good.
Guys, go check that out on eBay. You're going to be blown away by the prices.
It's like $250.
Crazy. And of course, I love this.
Yeah.
Super awesome. So,
yeah, that's a really
good job,
cool.
Spirit, on your Haunted Mansion
stuff.
stuff.
And Hocus Pocus. I can't wait for our episode.
I know. I can't wait for it to come out. But look how cool that glass is. It's like...
This is why we need a bigger budget. Look at all the stuff we could have for our episode.
You guys, I wanted to buy everything.
The mugs, that sign. We need that sign.
So they did have a lot of like wall plaques and hanging things, but the life potion.
Oh, life potion was awesome.
Right? Oh, look, guys. Dead Bed's Toe.
Dead Man's Toe.
Dead Bed's Toe.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Actually, it didn't do as much as we thought.
No, I think what? It just lit up? Is that right?
It's just like lights in a jar.
Oh, yeah. But,
I mean, very cool.
Iconic. And the black flame candle.
Which does not come with a black flame. Unlike our cookie that does.
I know. Guys, wait until we show you our Hocus Pocus cookies. They're gonna be really cool. Okay, and Spirit Halloween is known for their blind bags. So look at this. For example, Hocus Pocus blind bags, you can get like one of whatever, 9 characters. So that's who you can get. These
and
are
2 mystery ones, don't forget.
These are one of my favorite things to do at Spirit Halloween.
They had a lot more this year. Number 1 was the Killer Clowns.
Yes, they got Killer Clowns. Super cool. And of course, guys, if you need some dish towels.
All their dish towels were actually pretty cool.
They were cool. Guys, I really want this Spirit Halloween stuff.
They really had a lot of spirit gear.
Yep.
I love that jersey.
The hockey jersey is awesome. This t-shirt is awesome.
The long sleeve, yeah, it's like tie-dyed long sleeve.
It's just
I'm still mad you didn't get it.
so cool. How many shirts can I have?
But that's a spirit one.
I know.
Like you know it's fall when you put on your spirit sweatshirt.
Yep. Would you guys want that? Like, are you true Spirit fans where you would want some Spirit wear?
Yeah, the hats were not that cool, but definitely the sweatshirts.
Oh my gosh! Guys, this was terrifying.
That was terrible!
As if Annabelle wasn't scary enough. That's
like knockoff Annabelle.
God, that's awful.
And Chucky looked good. Oh,
that
was
Chucky.
Great. That Chucky was so cool.
Yep, he's a little creep.
He's a motorized puppet.
A little creep. And of course, a trip to Spirit Halloween can't be complete without trying on the creepiest masks.
Oh, look at us! Imagine us coming at you in the dark. That was so creepy. I love it.
So, what was your favorite thing that you saw in our quick little video of Spirit Halloween? Was it the Killer Clowns? Was it the Sanderson sisters? Was it Trick or Treat? Was it me and Hank in a clown mask?
In the clown mask?
Why don't you go ahead and watch that again? You'll see it in your nightmares tonight.
That was terrifying.
Now, why did we pick that? Those were like the worst two masks that we could.
Those were awesome.
Those were terrible. But you look very cute as Batman, let me tell you.
I am Batman.
So that is our Spirit Halloween episode and our kickoff to the Halloween season.
Yes!
So that means from now until Halloween, guys, we're making Halloween cookies. We're gonna be doing the Sanderson sisters, and we're gonna be doing some vintage Halloween, some killer clowns.
Oh, let's do it!
What else? I completely forgot. Oh, some Nightmare Before Christmas, some Oogie Boogie.
All right!
I am like really excited. This is
It's
the
time to
season
boogie!
that we come alive.
Yes!
So stay tuned for more episodes, more fun tutorials. Let us know if there's something you want to see us make, and maybe we can try to do that for this season.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome all our new members.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we're doing it.
We hit 200.
I'm so thankful to all of you who are watching, all of you who have stuck around from the very beginning,
Thank
and all
you.
of you guys who are brand new. I hope you like it. Please do like, subscribe, hit the
Ding.
for notifications, and comment. We want to talk to
Oh,
you
we
guys.
love to hear from you
Let
guys.
us know what you think about this episode, about Spirit Halloween and all the spooky stuff, and we will see you next time, Cookie Friends.
Next time. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Gotta get some more pumpkin.
We have to watch Trick or Treat. What was that? Got some spooky movies to watch.
Get me a pumpkin spice latte.
She said, and what?
Do I need to call someone? Okay, let's wrap it up.